Chasing the laser light. It's supposed to be for the cat. He's getting aggravated. Hey, we know how to tire him out now. Oh. Camille, he's got your light. He's like, screw it. Hey, what happened to the light? There it is. Go get it. He gave up.